Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we saw the progressive nature of the NFP job numbers really pushing the dollar on Friday's session and dropping gold by roughly about $25 during the session. We've seen another downturn in today's session, so we're heading back down towards the $2,000 level. So will we see some significant support there, or will we see a fresh break and possibly a really challenging bear run for a lot of the market? We'll have to wait and see. But for the near term, it's looking likely that the dollar is on the front foot. We've got ISM services data coming out during the American session soon, which is looking likely that it could beat previous expectations and consensus as well. So lots to really get into, and where are the opportunities as we head into February, and obviously as earnings season really gets underway as well. So just straight onto the charts then on gold, we're just seeing at the moment that, as I said, we had this vast downturn. You know, you could say we had a bit of a triple top, another test roughly above the 2060 level. Now we've seen a drop off back down to 2025, so you know, $35 drop in just a couple of sessions. Will it keep going? We'll have to wait and see. Let's get onto the 4-hour chart though to get a bit more intraday perspective, so it's a little bit easy to see as well. So as I said, almost, if we count this slight upturn, almost a triple top here, heavy resistance, and downwards we go. So for me, I'll just be seeing if we can recapture any of this bullish momentum that we've seen in the last couple of trading sessions, or the last couple of weeks, let's say. But the $2,000 level looks likely that it could be tested once again this week. As we knew from before, we had a slight test not so long ago in the middle of January, a couple of weeks ago. But since then, really choppy price action. You know, we had this one swing, a bit of a correction, and then a really vast upturn there, which has seen price action jump from, well, roughly $50 to $60. However, since then, we're looking likely that prices will start plummeting quite significantly if nothing can really start testing the upturn against the dollar. And speaking of the dollar, we're just having a bit of a look now, because the last time we looked on this chart, we saw upturn, consolidation, and now another upturn. So it was quite likely that we were going to follow the trend that was happening at the moment. So are we going to get back up to $107, $108 anytime soon? It seems a long way off at the moment, but the dollar has been very progressive across the board against its major competitors in the forex market, the euro, the pound, Swiss franc, etc. So we're just waiting to see now where the next move will come from. We've got Fed Chair Jerome Powell, his testimony this week. We've got another couple of Federal Reserve Chair people having their testimonies as well. So this will give us a little bit more of a guidance on where the Fed is heading. It's not looking likely that we will see another rate cut until the second half of the year. So this is what we're just looking at the moment. A lot of traders are quite disappointed that they didn't get a rate cut at the moment, but for the medium term, we've seen pretty much quite a impression on the index as well. So just moving into like an open-ended diagonal here, and we're just waiting to see where the next test is. Obviously, we were just above the $104 handle, and this is for the first time, well, you could say, we broke that in December, and before that we had the downturn in November. So it's a couple of months high at the moment. But where do you think gold and dollar are going, and where is the next opportunity coming from? Well, at the moment we're just seeing a slight bearish divergence on the RSI, as you can see here. So this is something we'll just be looking at and keeping an eye out for if there's a vast correction, because price action can really start moving a little bit lower in the midterm, that's for sure. So let me know what you think. This video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel as usual, so feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and until next time, bye for now.